Most mornings when Jasmine Noble drops her son Desari off here at Rita Ann's Early Learning Academy,
He runs in, he knows all of his teachers.
the 18-month-old has a smile on his face.
He comes right in, he bosses everyone around, asks for breakfast.
And by the time Noble leaves, Desari is ready to meet the day.
It gives me peace of mind.
What's been harder, though, is affording the more than $400 a month Noble pays to bring Desari here.
It is waiting a couple days to pay something. It is, for some people, it's taking a payday in advance. It's, running up those credit cards.
Noble was on a wait list for 10 months before getting a Child Care and Development Fund voucher to help pay for Desari's care at 100%. But 3 weeks later, on October 1st, cuts to how much the state reimburses daycare providers per voucher took effect.
I'm not saying that a little bit of thing is not better than nothing, but I would think that most of these families need a larger amount of help.
We've already had some that have left already because of the change.
Catherine Adamu owns Rita Ann's and says about 70% of the kids who come here use vouchers. Adamu says she filled out a survey from the state about reimbursement rates.
They took a lot of data, to come up with what was the best solution as far as the rates. And when they say they were cutting it, I was actually shocked.
In a news release, the state said it used the data to arrive at what it called equitable reimbursement rates that, quote, reflect the current operating realities. Right now, 55,000 families receive CCDF vouchers. During the pandemic, that number was higher because the state expanded eligibility for who could get them. That's when federal COVID-19 dollars were available. But that money's not there now. The state said it cut daycare provider reimbursement rates as a way to close a $225 million funding gap. Adamu says the cuts have been hard on providers, and some will likely close.
I own this house, but if that weren't the case, if we had to pay rent, we probably wouldn't make it.
For parents like Jasmine Noble trying to make up with the state's no longer paying Adamu, every week it's the same concern: how to make all the ends meet.
Sometimes you gotta struggle, I guess. It will work out in the end.